Okay, this one's gonna take a little bit of time for me to explain, so hang in there with me. I'm Nikki, registered nurse, board certified lactation consultant. This mama says, my baby is 3 weeks, going on 4 weeks tomorrow. She's been cluster feeding. She's exclusively breastfeeding, but with the cluster feeding, she's seeming to spit up a whole bunch. Here's what I want you to know. I went on to ask her, are you feeding on both sides or are you feeding on one side? She says that when baby unlatches, she is switching sides immediately. I need you to understand this. Please, 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 when you are nursing, I want you to just keep baby on one side until they seem full. Then we offer the second side as dessert. By switching sides prematurely, what's going on is you're asking your baby to handle an overabundance of a letdown immediately. So what this looks like is, stay with me, because I know this sounds complicated. When your baby initially latches to your breast, you're likely more full and you have a copious amount of milk sitting there and there's pressure behind it. So your first letdown from the side you're feeding on is a lot for your baby to handle. But the next letdown is not as copious. And then the next letdown is less copious. So your baby is able to regulate down their level of fullness because, again, they're starting to soften your breast and the flow of milk is easier to handle. But if you're prematurely switching to the other side, you're asking your baby to handle that copious amount of letdown again. Because that breast that you're now switching your baby to has milk that's built up in it. And again, that's pressurized. And so the flow of that initial latch is going to be a ton to handle, which could result in a lot of overfeeding. So keep the baby on one side. Stop switching sides prematurely. I hope this helps you. If you guys have questions, please comment. I know it was kind of hard to explain, but I'm doing my very best.